In this video, we'll show you how to replace the rinse service kit on a rinse head. The process should take approximately 30 minutes. Before you begin, cover the sink with a cloth to prevent any tools or parts falling into the drain. Disconnect the rinse head from the hose and place the hose in the sink. You'll need the following tools: an adjustable spanner for removing and tightening the nuts, a soft cloth for cleaning, and the rinse service kit 9.21427. Begin by gently unscrewing the rinse head from the hose by hand. Once detached, place the hose safely in the sink. Unscrew the nuts at the front and back of the rinse head. You can usually do this by hand. If you're using tools, be sure to protect the surface to avoid damaging the finish. These nuts secure the button and the faceplate. Keep them safely aside for reassembly. Unscrew the handle from the rinse body. Once removed, press gently from the top to push out the white pointed valve component. This will release the internal mechanism. You can now take out the remaining white part from inside the rinse head. Take the new white pointed component and insert it from the base of the rinse handle, pushing it upwards until it seats at the top. Next, insert the large white body into the top section of the rinse head. Align the handle with the internal hole to hold the button in position. Then screw the handle back onto the rinse body. Take the original rinse button, fit the new spring onto it, and apply a small amount of silicone grease. Insert the spring-loaded button into the smaller side of the rinse body, opposite the indented side. Push it in until it sits flush. Lightly screw the cap nut onto the button side. This will hold the assembly in place while you secure the rest. Place the mesh and faceplate into the second cap nut. Place the O-ring over the white valve tip. Then screw the faceplate back onto the rinse head and tighten securely. Reconnect the rinse head to the hose and ensure everything is seated correctly. Test the rinse head to ensure the button moves freely and the water flows correctly. The button should sit in the smaller side and operate smoothly. And that's it. Your rinse service kit has been successfully replaced.